What's the meaning of cruise missile? Cruise missile. Cruise missile.
Cruise missile. Cruise missile. A cruise missile is a guided missile that can navigate autonomously across long distances to deliver a payload to a target. Unlike ballistic missiles, which have a high trajectory and follow a parabolic path, cruise missiles fly at low altitudes and can maneuver to evade enemy defenses. These weapons are often used in military operations to strike targets such as bunkers, ships, and ground installations. They are typically small and highly maneuverable, allowing them to penetrate deep into enemy territory and deliver a precise strike. The result of a successful cruise missile attack can be devastating, causing significant damage to military assets and infrastructure.